Welcome to another episode of Tech Innovations. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines the power of Android technology and messaging, transforming your Android phone into an SMS gateway using MQTT. Now, if you're thinking, what on earth is MQTT and how can my phone be a gateway for SMS? You're in the right place. So let's break it down. Imagine that your phone can not only send but also receive messages, essentially acting like a mini SMS hub. With this setup, you can send data to an MQTT server, which then relays those messages to an SMS app on your phone. Pretty cool, right? Now let me take you through how this all works, step by step. First, you send a message to the MQTT server. Think of it like a middleman in a game of telephone. The server then sends that message to your SMS app, which can notify your server when the message is sent and also when it's delivered. It's a neat little operation. Speaking of receiving messages, the process is similar. Your SMS app catches incoming texts and forwards them to your server. Simple and efficient. But how do you get started? Well, you'll need to download the APK from the release section. There's also a backend folder named PHP Gateway to handle the server side. It's great for those who are a bit tech savvy. Now let's chat about some features that this SMS gateway has to offer. For starters, it can send and receive SMS, and it even handles notifications to your server. If a message fails to send, it automatically retries up to 3 times. How convenient is that? Plus, there's a USSD feature for real-time services, although, be warned, not all phones or carriers may support it. I remember trying it out on a Samsung S10 Lite, and it was a bit hit or miss. It didn't want to close the USSD dialog automatically. And for those of you who love multitasking, you can use multiple SIM cards. However, do keep in mind that this might not work across all devices due to different operating system modifications. Now, here's a little nugget for tech enthusiasts. If you're interested in customizing your experience, you might want to roll up your sleeves and compile the app yourself. There's even a tip about building it with My Object Box for storage, which might give you a slight hiccup during the process, but nothing you can't handle with some patience. Before we wrap up, let's briefly cover the licensing. This project operates under the Apache License 2.0, which means commercial use, distribution, and modification are all on the table, ideal for developers looking to tinker. Just remember to adhere to the copyright notice and understand the limitations. So there you have it. Whether you're looking to explore new tech avenues or find a practical use for an old Android phone, transforming it into an SMS gateway presents a lot of potential. How would you use this technology? Would you integrate it into a larger project, or perhaps just to send fun messages? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Innovations. Don't forget to check out the show notes for links to resources mentioned. See you next time, where we continue to explore the unfolding world of technology.